The new MG4 EV hatchback has officially launched in China, marking the brand's first global model for 2025. The electric vehicle, produced by SAIC, is set to replace the underperforming MG4 Electric, which struggled with slow sales in China. MG, originally a British brand now owned by Chinese company SAIC, has found greater success overseas, though it hasn't been as popular in China. The new MG4 EV features a sleek light purple finish, sporty LED headlights, and a bold front bumper with a trapeze-shaped air intake. Its design includes traditional door handles, which add practicality but also increase drag. The rear has a minimalistic bumper, a roof spoiler, and arrow-shaped taillights connected by an LED strip. In terms of specs, the new MG4 EV is slightly longer than its predecessor, measuring 4,395 mm in length with a 2,750 mm wheelbase. It comes with a 120 kilowatts, 161 horsepower electric motor, a step down from the previous model's 125 kilowatts, 168 horsepower motor. The previous MG4 EV also offered a high-performance 315 kilowatts, 422 horsepower 4WD variant, making the new version less powerful.